Alright, so Nike factory store. Let's check it out. What do they got for today? Hopefully we can find something really good. Air Max. How about this one? There are returns, $200. How about this one? That is size 12. We're sitting in the mall on this one. Well, not bad for the price of this Air Force One GTX boots, $99.97. Good quality. More stock of the Carmines. More of the Jordan 1 mids. Nike Air Zoom Type, $64.97. Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 37, $54.90. Alright, so we are in Jordan's section. We got the 6 rings down here, $119. KD tray, $69. Another KD tray. We got the Lebrons at $99. This one is the cheap Lebrons, $59.97. And we got PG4, $69.97. Cheap ones, which is a light cream, total orange, $69. And the PG4 TV, $59.97. And the KD tray flat top, $49. And another flat top, $49. Nike waffle trainer too, $49.97. So they got the last pair on this Dub Zero. I already sold a lot of this one, but this one is the B grade Jordan Dub Zero, and as you can see, B grade tags there, but they are reselling very well though. Alright, so that's it on the clearance wall. Alright, so this is what I got from the store. We got the Air Jordan Dub Zero. Got them for $69.97. This is the last one they got in the store. Actually, another reseller pick up those leftovers. To my surprise, another one that are reselling that no one sees it. Nike Air Max 2017 retail is $190, and they're selling on the store $130, but after the discount $110. And then I sold them really quick on StockX. And before we end this video, I'm gonna unbox this one because it's been a long while. Okay, 1, 2, and that's 3. I bought this pair on End Clothing, and when I got them they were having some discount, so I really want a pair of this one for a long while. The good thing, got them for below retail. So this one is the Converse Comme des Garçons Play. Let's check that out. There we go. The only thing I really want to have this one is just it's just simple, and this colorway, the cream, is like the Jordan 4 off-white, which one I really like the color, which is kind of more simple. So and that one, this one, another Comme des Garçons, size 6. So there we go. What do you think? Huh? Pair of highs and lows for him and for her. Any thought? This one is size 10 as well. Woman size 12. Boom. There we go. Okay, so I was thinking, if I really don't want this pair of this color, then I might gonna keep this one, but I might just gonna resell this one. So I had to go get the other pair that I've been saving. These pairs are bought from End Clothing right there. So but this pair I got it from Saks Fifth Avenue. So the good thing what I'm using my credit card is that I have a cashback value from Saks and Fifth Avenue, and this is what I got. Boom. There we go. For personal. Okay, so there we go. Kinda still thinking if I'm gonna pick that one and pair it for her or this one. So I'm kinda having second thought, but personally I really want this low cut. So what do you think on this vlog for today? I hope you like this vlog, and if you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one.